Hello everyone, this is Kristina from Kristina's Art Corner. Today I have a special video for you. The company HiPark reached out to me and sent me an opportunity to pick out a couple of 3D wood carvings. Before I get into the product, I just want to tell you a little bit about the company. On their website, which I will include in the description and on the screen, here is their story. HiPark is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. The materials that they use. According to sccmo.org, about 80% of what Americans throw away is recyclable. Reusing and recycling wood reduces the need to cut down trees. We buy back wood disposal and process it into recycled wood boards and make them raw material for our wood decors. And why we design it like this. We choose extinct animals as well as endangered and wild animals as our inspiration when we design our products to remind people of their consciousness of protecting our environment and animals. Better planet, better life. HiPark is always on its way. I want to show you, here are the 3D wood carvings that I picked from. They have a blunt-nosed leopard lizard, for instance, and when you click on it, you can get it with the LED wooden nightlight as a gift for Mother's Day home decor. You have a choice to get it with the light or without the light, and also gift packaging. And here is some pictures. See how detailed the wood carvings are. See if I can bring you back a little bit. There you go. And there it is lit up and so cute. And then you have the USB connection and an on and off button. And I'll show you what else they have. They have a California condor, a yellow-billed magpie. They have a bear. They have ones that say mom. That's super cute. And they have this scene here. It's an elephant. It says best dad ever. And a giraffe family. Isn't it so cute? And then it's a long-tailed rabbit, and he's awfully cute and fun. Here's the detail of the carving. So I just wanted to give you a quick look. I mean, they have many, many pages of these. They have here an octopus. Really, really cute. Okay, and they also have homemade wood carvings. Those are super cute. They have a new arrivals section. They gave me a gift certificate. This is what I picked out. Let's see here. Came in a nice package, and then it's bubble wrapped. So I'll do one at a time here. It says, "How are you, HiPark?" Isn't that cute? It says, "Give animals a home." We have a styrofoam insert. And here's a little who you are. That's what I read to you. And it shows all of their info right here. Cute little card. And here is the turtle. Look how detailed and cute that is. I think I'll turn my lights back on so you can see better. There we go. But look at all of that detail inside. Let me put the light right over it so you can see. There's layers and layers of wood cutting put together. And why don't we plug it in? I got ones with LED lights. All right. And then I have a little battery pack here that I can use. And ta-da! Let's turn those lights off and give you an idea of what it looks like. Can stand it up like this. I'll take a couple of photos so you can see from the front end. But look how nicely it's made. Lots of details inside. And you have an on and off button here. Super cute. This is an awesome desk accessory or in a shelving unit. I know I'll probably have one on my desk and one on my shelving unit. I'm gonna put that one there. Maybe over to the side. While we open the other one, again, you get the same box. Give animals a home. And we have this little card again explaining about the company. And a nice styrofoam insert. And I got the butterfly. Also with the LED. So look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. And I'll turn this light on too as well. Isn't it gorgeous? All of the details in there are beautiful. There's a sunset and flowers and a nice like forest scene in the background. And I love butterflies. Here we go with it lit. And I'm gonna turn off the lights so that you can see it better. And there we go. Isn't that cute? I mean, the video isn't even doing it justice, to be honest. Maybe if I put it back a little bit, you can tell. But it's really, really gorgeous. And again, it can sit up like that. I'll take a picture of it the way that it looks there. And I'll insert them. I just thought these were too cute not to share with you. Feel very honored that they gifted me these. These are awesome products and super great gifts. So Mother's Day, Father's Day. I received mine, I'll tell you, by the time it was shipped. Let me go to my emails just here real quick. My order had been confirmed on the 27th and I received it today, which is the 12th, about roughly 2 weeks. But I think they're well worthwhile. They have all varieties of sizes as well. Like I said, LED or not. And they also very nicely gave me a discount code to share with you all. So I'm gonna show you both in screen. So yeah, if you're interested, go ahead and select my code so that you get a discount, exclusive link and discount code for my subscribers. I hope that you all enjoy your weekend, and I hope this was a nice little surprise on the channel. It's definitely artful, so it belongs on my channel, and I hope that you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.